What's up guys, so today we're playing Pokemon Showdown. We're playing a new tier with a new team. So it's a little bit of a rain team, as you see with Ludicolo and a Kabutops. Combusken is there for the Baton Pass with the speed boost and I think it's got Swords Dance. If it doesn't work out for Kabutops, I'm gonna try with Golurk. Audino's there for more of a support role, and Mutt also is more of an offensive slash support Pokemon. So let's look for a battle. You might see that I'm looking at my right. It's because I'm playing on two screens, and it's OBS in front of me, and Pokemon Showdown is on the screen that's on my right. So we can find a battle. Alright. So, my opponent is using Golurk, Tauros, Vivillon, Primate, Rotom, and Weezing. So it's not too bad. I'll go for Ludicolo as a lead. Good. Well, in fact, good and not good. I have no chance but to go for Rain Dance. I'm gonna outspeed it, I guess, and Scald. Hopefully get some residual damage on it. I knew it wouldn't kill, and I knew he had Hurricane, but it was a sacrifice to do, so... I still outspeed it. I'll go for knockoff, predicting a switch. Alright, so no more Black Sludge. Let's go with me. No, I should go for Waterfall. Sludge Bomb didn't do much. Waterfall again. So its physical wall is down. So yeah, I was predicting Tauros, probably Scarf Tauros. That's why I'm gonna use knockoff. I think I can still outspeed it. Yeah. Okay, Wildlands. I see. So now he knows that my Ludicolo had Damprot. Let's go for Waterfall. Good. I don't think it would have killed on the first turn out, so it's a ghost type, so knockoff should do a good amount of damage. Okay, so now I know that Kabutops is gonna die, so I'll go for Aqua Jet and get the most damage I can. That is down to 30%, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go for a Mutt because it's I'll go for Curse. Then I'm gonna go for Shadow Sneak. I think it's enough to kill. see. Okay, so he gives me a free curse. He's gonna will-o-wisp me. It's not too bad. I'll go for Shadow Sneak. Okay, so now I'm burned, but my Padino has a cleric can heal me. So now Rotom is out of the way, so that's a good thing. So Roller, I'll go for a Vino. Set up the reflect. I think I can outspeed. 106. Yeah, probably no speed investment, so reflect. Wow, okay. It's not good. Okay, so I'll go for Combustion. I think it might be Scar. I don't know. Can't. I'll go for Protect. What I want to do is set up for my Golder. So I see what he's trying to do. Once again, Protect. So now, oh shit, I didn't put Battle Pass. That was great. That's great. So I'm gonna put it right now. So that I don't forget it in my next battle. So I'm gonna PB spell it. Okay, so I think I won't allow King. So I'm gonna know if it's jolly or not. With mine. Oh. There we go. So it was a jolly one. So yep. How many chance was to Battle Pass, but I couldn't do it, so I'm gonna go and look for another opponent. Okay, so I don't know, maybe power up punch. Will it work? Okay, so I can't Battle Pass the speed and another stat boost, so. Oh, okay. I see. So I'll go for a Flower Pit Stand. Okay, let's go for another battle, and that's gonna be it. I would have liked to play with my team. I have planned for Casey, which is supposed, well, our battle is supposed to be tonight or tomorrow. It's actually 11:20 p.m., so I think it's it's more likely to be tomorrow. But anyways, so Quagsire, Lilligant, Tauros, well, pretty much common and new Pokemon, but okay, so it's not too bad. That's a defensive Nesper. Well, special defensive. It's gonna switch into Lilligant, I guess. I know I won't kill with Giga but that's my... Well, it's gonna kill with the burn, so... Okay. Do I go for a Focus Blast? I don't know. Seems like my... yeah. Bring it back. So, I can outspeed it though. Go for Stone Edge. Knock off because I know it's got leftovers. That's good. Okay, so does it have water absorb? Nope. Okay, so basically, what he wanted was to get through the rain by stalling. Well, let's hope I can get more flinches. Okay, so now it's gonna be interesting. If I can get another one. Well, he's running after trouble because eventually he's gonna get flinched again, I guess. Or it is. I don't like the situation I'm in. Flinch, perfect. So now I can kill it. I know I'm faster. Oh, I guess I'm faster. Whoa, okay. No, it's faster. About 2 points. Oh. I'm gonna go for double protect because I have no choice. Speed powder. Flare Blitz, just in case I wake up. I'll wake up. No, okay, I won't kill them. So, oh, how unlucky. Like 5 turns asleep. Now I'll go for Golden, hoping not to get burned. Perfect. So now I can go for Dynamic Punch. Oh wow. Dynamic Punch did 27%, so it all depends on yes, if I could get a crit or if he could get himself in confusion. I got what I wanted. So now I think I'm in a pretty good position. Golrick is very strong offensively. He's got a good attack stat. I'm gonna be able to pretty much outspeed everything because Swallow quick attack is doesn't work on ghost Pokemon. Wow, he lived it. I should have gone for Dynamic Punch, I guess. I would have had a chance of him missing his move. Well, putting himself in confusion. Did about 37%. So now it should do about 25. Yeah, Shadow Sneak. Live with 1%. Force. My attack stat isn't that low. So now he's going to go into Swallow. No, Tauros. Oh, we missed. Yes. I'm gonna bet not. I would have bet for another miss, but no, it's it just didn't work. Attack. Okay. I'm in a bad situation. I need to get another protect. If not, game over. Okay. Now I have the chance. I really need this to work. Yeah. Okay. So it's gonna be Lilligan against Odino. So I'm gonna paralyze it. No. Wake up, yes. Run away. So I'm gonna have to spam knockoff. I think that's not gonna be good for me, but anyways. Yeah, he's gonna win. Unless I get really, really lucky with the hacks. I don't expect to win this battle. Okay, so now it's faster than me. No. Yeah, so there's no use in continuing, so that's it for today. That's a bit of a long video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and like my Facebook page. Also follow me on Twitch. I might go on there a few times this week. That's my goal. I finally have a week off. So yep. Also, if you want to follow the PFCFL from the inside, the link to the group will be in the description. So yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.